While toasted sesame oil is a great alternative to butter and other saturated fats, it is much more expensive than regular sesame oil. Improve your health and save some money by toasting your own sesame oil at home. First, heat a pan on the stovetop on medium heat. Once the pan has heated up completely, pour the cold-pressed sesame oil into the pan. Spread the oil in the pan by carefully gripping the handle of the pan with your dominant hand, and slowly rotating the pan from side to side. Keep the oil moving during its entire cooking time to prevent possible burning. Once the oil acquires a golden brown color, it is properly toasted. You should also notice that a rich, nutty scent will begin to develop. When this occurs, remove the pan from the heat. Carefully transfer the hot oil into a glass bowl and allow the oil to cool until it reaches room temperature. After the oil has reached room temperature, it can be placed in an airtight container to store. This container can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 1 year. Be sure to put a label on the container with its preparation date.